Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process to get your Colombia virtual number from KrispCall. Colombian phone numbers can be used for both business and personal needs. This includes allowing verification calls to access WhatsApp, Telegram, and other platforms. To buy a virtual Colombia phone number, firstly, go to KrispCall.com and create an account or log in if you already have an account. Upon successful login, proceed to access My Number either by clicking the plus icon or navigating through settings. Next, click on Purchase New Number. Choose Colombia from the available options. Once the country and number type are selected, proceed with Buy Number. Following this, assign a name and place it in your cart. Please keep in mind that you need to submit your documents and information details while purchasing a Colombian virtual phone number. Now, confirm your purchase by clicking on Confirm Purchase. Once you've obtained your Colombia phone number, you can begin making calls depending on the number types you've purchased. Get 100+ international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced features like unified call box, global calling, text messages, voicemail, multi-level IVR, call analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.